Hi everyone, so just catching up with things. I got this the other day, parcel from Drifta, camping and four-wheel drive in New South Wales. So we have a couple of handy things that I need. One of them is the tool roll. You want to buy one of those pages. Okay, this will come in heaps handy. Pretty cool looking thing. Now I saw Luke, owner of Drifta, and even Kaito using this in his workshop. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little thing. Now, I mean by saw, I mean on a video, not actually in their workshop. It's a pretty cool little thing. Little pockets, zip up pockets to put all your tools in, which is cool, keeps things nice and organised. So yeah, one thing there, and the other is awesome 2-for-1 deal on these soft shackles. Now, why did I get pink, you may say? Well, not going to lose them, am I? So yeah, just randomly got pink. 2-for-1 deal on these. Pretty good value if you ask me, for a 14-ton rated soft shackle. So helping the guys out at Drifta. Give them a go. Do exactly what I need them to do. And I think that's it. Yeah. So yeah, just a couple of extra bits and pieces to supplement the old four-wheel drive kit. They'll come in handy, particularly the old tool roll. So yeah, look forward to using this stuff. Thanks, Drifty guys.